All right, guys, and here is my lineup for the month of December. Now, as of now, I do not have a New Year's kit. When I went through my stash, there was nothing in there that really gave me that feel for New Year's. I believe there was one by my newest addiction, I believe, that had I really liked the one that she had, which is the one kind of like I'm leaning towards. But we'll see, because right now everything is like Christmas and New Year's right now anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and look and make a decision soon. By the time this goes up, I should have made my decision, and I will just put in a little picture of that kit so you guys will see it after I make the decision. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the rest of these kits for the month of December. All right, so for the first week of December, I'm going to be using this kit called Graceful. This was actually a collaboration between Foil and Lace on Instagram and Miss Meow. Foil and Lace had won a giveaway that was hosted by, I believe it was Shantae of Shantae's Plan, Rachel of Gather Plans, Lauren of Plan Most Plan, and I believe Kiara and Kiara's planner also was a part of that whole collab, but she won and was able to actually collaborate and design a kit which was so decent. And this one I could not help. Mainly I love it because it has that Thanksgiving vibe, which at first I thought maybe I would use it for Thanksgiving, but if you guys seen my last kit lineup, you guys know that's also my husband's birthday week, so he takes priority. So I thought to give myself one of these like Thanksgiving type weeks, I will use this kit, and this is absolutely beautiful. I love the colors, the tones, the mutedness with that rose gold. It's just so beautiful. You guys know it's rose gold, so you guys know I love it. So let me show you guys the kit. Guys probably seen it by now, but in case you have not, here you go. So freaking beautiful. Absolutely love it. And if I remember correctly, at this point now, she has changed her format for her kits now. I don't know if this is the new format or not. If I can remember to check when I'm editing, I will put that on the screen. But yes, love this. Is so freaking beautiful. Some of the things that was sent with it, this was a Gather exclusive fruit freebie. Why can't I talk? So I've decided to put that in there since it was rose gold. This was also a freebie that came with the kit. These colors are definitely a lot more bold, but this, I feel like maybe I may be able to work it. So all right, and then I did also get the deco that was included, well, that was made for this kit. I got two of them in case. um even if I don't, especially because I am using this in the beginning of December, I have been wanting to go back to like decorate that page. So I may actually use this to also decorate that as well. Or if I'm doing my daily, I can go back and use this, or I can just save this for another time. So I did get two of them. So that was the kit that I got from Miss Meow. And this will be what I'll use for my first week in December. All right, so this is going to be for the week starting December 6th. It's going to be this kit that I got from the Sweet Planner. I did buy this, I believe, last year. And it was so funny because I had pulled this out to use it in one of my weeks, like during, I think, the summertime. And then I realized, sis, that's snowflakes. You can't use that then. So this has been pushed back to be used for the winter time, but this is the kit. This is on her matte paper. I believe I bought this last year, if I remember correctly. So these are the 8 boxes, and this is how her kit format is. So these are the 8 boxes here. Then you have her washi. You have these boxes here, and she doesn't actually have date covers. So my thought was, I do have like just scripts of dates, so I probably like create my own using it, because I think when I counted it out, I was able to like, I could probably like mix and match and kind of create my own. So that's my plan here. Here you have half boxes and then some 3-heart checklists. Then here you have a whole page of checklists. You have her page of littles, and then you have some little strips of washi there. And then here you got your headers, some circle icons, some other like little functional icons, habit trackers, your sidebar tracker, and then a weekend banner, which is so pretty. So I think I probably will use that for this week. I haven't really been using the weekend banners as much, but I really do like that one. So I think I'm going to try to incorporate that in some way, really like jazz it up. And then I'm thinking about it too. No, because that one is rose gold. I want to use gold for this week. So, but yeah, that is the kit I'm going to use for that second week of December. All right, next up for the week of December 13th, I'm going to be using this kit called Sugar Plum Fairy from Sadie Stickers. This was another random pull that I got and one of the massive orders that I placed from Sadie Stickers. I believe it was like earlier this year. Yeah, and I was like, well, you know what? I got a lot of winter stuff. I'm going to use it up. So I was like, I don't have to really buy any new winter stuff. And I mean, I love the holidays. Yes, I do. I'm not as crazy as some other people in the planner community can be. So I didn't really have any qualms about, oh, I need to buy something new, XYZ. But I do appreciate that I was able to find one that was really like mellow with these colors, and it was rose gold. Because a lot of times it's like silver or gold. So I appreciate this. So let me show you guys the kit. This is this is an older format as well. So your 9 full boxes. You have your box page, sidebar items as flags, your headers, your layering icons, where your layering shapes, flags, and checklist. Here I did get in the random pull, the bow headers. And then this is the bottom washi, which is so cute. It's like the big Christmas decoration balls, and then the day covers as well. This is so pretty. Absolutely love this. I'm excited to use it because it's, of course, rose gold. So yeah, that is going to be for that third week of December. All right, and then final kit that I'm going to show you guys today is for the week of the 20th, which happens to be Christmas, and it's crazy that Christmas is on a freaking Saturday. However, one good thing about my job is when a holiday is on a weekend, is either I observe the Friday before or the Monday after. And on top of that, I believe, and I think it's the following week. The following week, I actually get off, which is crazy. I get like a whole week off. Unheard of. Y'all, that is like a great thing about this like beyond the bedside nursing life of mine. Okay, we ain't gonna talk about that. Let me show you the kit. So this kit is called Silent Night. I love the colors. I love the reds and the greens in it, but it's not the like focus of this. And then the gold touches is beautiful. Like I absolutely love this garland over top. Like that is just, it's just so pretty. So here is the 9 full boxes. Again, old format. Got her box page, some headers, the layering shapes, Here are the bow headers. And then here is the bottom washi, which is so freaking cute. And the day cover. So that there is going to be the kit that I'm using for the week of Christmas. And then again, for the last week of December, as well as the last week of 2021, which is freaking crazy to think about. I told you guys in the beginning that I was not sure what kit I was going to use. However, in this moment, by the time this goes up, I should have my kit picked, and I will put a picture of it here on the screen so you guys can see it. Make sure you guys are subscribed so when I actually put this kit down, you'll be able to see the full thing laid out. I am just stunned just thinking about that. This will be literally the last kit. This is the last page of it. Well, I mean, I had other pages here, but I tore them all out because I wasn't using the planner as the planner is made. So, but yeah, that hopefully what you saw here on the screen was going to be the kit that I used for the last week of December. All right, and then that is the kit lineup for the month of December. I honestly can't even believe that we are literally at the end of this year. Like, yo, I honestly, this year definitely flew by because I was shocked at how fast 2020 came to an end. And I know, I was busy like wedding planning and such, but it just seemed like time just flew by. And then January got here, and then in the blink of an eye, it's bridal shower, bachelorette, we get married, we're on honeymoon, we're back to regular life. I'm just like, wait, when did all that happen? Hold on, hold the phone, hold the phone. It's crazy. Let me know if you guys have your kit lineup and you post them here on YouTube. Let me know so I can go check out your video as well. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.